Okay, let's take another quick trade over here. I got a good signal that said we may go down. This is a low probability. I mean, a high probability one here. Uh, so let's by market if touched. So our goal is going to be here. One tick up, one tick above. One tick above over here. So if this is 0175, we're going to do 02. Man, these 0250. Oh, 0225. Yeah, we're gonna do 0225 over here. Or maybe we got in at 0475. 0250. Okay, yeah. So we're gonna get out if it closes above this candle here. We're basically risking 1 to earn 04 to earn 2. That's what we're doing here. And let's see what happens. We may get stopped out. We may go the other way, and you know, anything can happen. And there seems to be some strength coming in. So let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. If it goes above this candle, yeah, I'll be really concerned. Yeah, I just sense some strength right now. So I'm gonna get out. I think I'm gonna get out of this trade. If we go above here, I'm getting out, because it just feels like there's some strength that just came into the market. And you can never tell. Not that you can never tell what's going on over here. Let's see what happened. Yeah, there's some strength going on here. So I'm short, so I'm gonna buy, gonna get out. Yeah, there's some strength going on. Let's see what happens. We may go and hit the 2. We may pass. I felt that this was really strong over here. There's something going on with the markets right now, and you kind of feel it. When you do this long enough, you kind of feel strength and you feel weakness. So I don't know what happened, but something's going on, and it just feels really, really strong. And we may go to the positive side. We may be heading to the positive side over here. Now, my signals are right more often than they're wrong. And my signals say I have 3 indicators going on right now, and they tell me that we should be going down. We should be heading down. So let's see if we touch the 200-day moving average. You know, if we go past the 200-day moving average, forget it. The signal is gone. You know, it was completely wrong, and sometimes it is wrong. So let's see what's going on. There seems to be a battle, but it feels really strong. The market just felt really, really strong. So I did not want to get caught up in anything. See, so we're surpassing the 200-day moving average over here. So something happened. Maybe something happened in the news. Maybe, you know, who knows? But something is going on in the markets, where it just pushed everything upwards. And I think just by the feel of these candles, by the way the price is playing, by the way the price is going, my phone went off. Just by the way the price was moving, it just felt that we were gonna go in the other direction. Maybe we're gonna go here. Maybe we're gonna reverse. Maybe what happened here was that we were just gonna go to the 200-day moving average line. But let's see. I just want to leave this video playing for a little longer, just to show what happened when I get out of the trade, whether, you know, it was a good thing to get out of the trade or not. And we'll see. We see. Now, yeah, I said earlier, these are choppy waters here. These are choppy waters over here. So I typically don't trade, but I did get a really good signal that said, you know, we were gonna head in the other direction. So I was gonna go here. My exit was gonna be here somewhere. But as I said before, anything can happen, and your signal may be the best signal in the world, but it can be wrong. It can really, really be wrong. There's nothing stopping it from not being right. And in this case, that's kind of what happened. I got out. I usually get out at the candle. If the candle closes higher at the candle close, as opposed to, you know, just where the price goes. But in this case, it just felt that we were heading really very much higher. So I did not want to take a, you know, what is it, 9, a 5-point loss. No, that's just not my, not what I go for. So yeah, see, it is going higher. So my spider senses were correct. So we were heading higher. We just went over the 200-day moving average. If we close above the 200-day moving average, it's a really good signal. We're going to continue going up. 04, 07. Yeah, so I lost 2.5 points, right? So 04.75 to 07.50, 5, 6. Okay, see, yeah, we're just going higher. We're going to beat this thing. Now, this closed above the 200-day moving average line. It's a really good indication that we're heading up. So I'm going to go in because now we got a good. Now we got a really good indication that we're going to head up. We're going to head in the upwards direction. So I'm going to get in here. And let's see if I can turn this loser into a winner for the day or for the time being. This is yesterday's high over here. So we have a lot of ground to cover. But a trade above the 200-day moving average is a good trade to make. It's a good indication that we're gonna be in the up direction. Also, my signals got canceled out over here. We took off the day's high. My signal got canceled out. Really reliable signals too. We got canceled out. So all of this is telling me that we may be going high. And once we go above here, we may be in a good spot. So there's nothing wrong with reversing your position. And we are going, let's see here, 13. We're going to go from, okay, this is a good area here, 13, 1275. We're going to go to 1275. Okay, and that's what we're going to go for if we can penetrate. If we can penetrate this thing over here. For now. Now, if we close below the candle, you know, we're out of here. We're on the way down. 07. Yeah. So this is the candle here. If we close below the candle, we're out of the trade. Now, there are a lot of sells here, a lot of sell orders here, because this is yesterday's. This is the 100% fib line. So we do have a lot of sell orders here. Like I was saying, you know, it's good to be aware of this stuff. Let's see what happens. You know, we penetrated the 50%. I like the volume, but we penetrated the 50% mark of this bar, of this large bar over here. So we may get out. We may get out. If we penetrate this bar fully, we're gonna get out of this trade. But again, we're looking for bar close. We're looking for bar close. But again, we're not crazy. We're not gonna go and, you know, bet the farm and blow everything, blow the account on just one trade. You know, we have our limits here. So let's see, we got about 2 minutes left. See what happens. We're pushing back up. It feels like we're gonna go higher, but you know, feeling is just not enough. So it's just not enough. If we close below the 50 moving average, we're out of this trade. And you will have just experienced 2 negative trades in a row, which sucks for me. It's good for you, educational for you, but it is what it is. We got a minute left on the clock. I feel like we're watching the NBA right now, and let's see what happens. But we took the highs of the day. We went above the 200-day moving average. We closed above the 200-day moving average. Is that this 100% fib line is really strong. It's yesterday's highs, and there's just a lot of sell orders here. We got 30 seconds to go. There are just a lot of sell orders here. So, you know, it looks like we're going to break through it, but who knows? Who knows what's going to happen? Who knows? So they say that the best traders are the ones that can reverse their trades and not feel any emotion from reversing the trade. So it looks like we're going to go at it again. We're going to go for that fib line again. No. So this, what happened right here, just so you know, it just appears, yeah, we're going to get out because sell bid. Yeah, if we go below here, we're going to get out because it's just weak. You never know what's going to happen. You never know what's going to happen. They may be taking this up and down here. We may be consolidating here. Yeah. We're going to get out. Come on, baby. Come on. Go the other way. Yeah. What I was saying is, what just happened there, it looks like they're buying quickly. So we may head the other direction. Not sure when, but it looks like we're going to head in the other direction. Two points. Yeah. There goes the streak. There goes the streak. Let's see. Come on, baby. When you see the price go down and up quickly, that means there's some hidden sellers. I mean, some hidden buyers. And the same thing for the other side as well. Sometimes there are a lot of buyers, and they don't want to, of course, they don't want to reveal the cards, but they kind of do by the speed in which they buy sometimes, because it looks like they're going to push this thing upwards. They kind of reveal the cards sometimes by the speed in which they buy and by the speed in which they move. So here we go. We may go at it again. We may go at it again, and let's see what happens here. Now, let's go back to the 200-day moving average thing. It closed one tick below here. It kind of closed one tick below. Did it? Let's see. To me, you know, this is why I had another reason why I might change the color from red to pink, because to me it appeared that it closed right on the line, not one tick below. So let's see what happens. There's the war. You're witnessing a war right now between bulls and bears. This is the 100% fib line here, and this is a really good, really strong line. The 100, the 50. Oh, look at this. Here go the bulls. Bulls on parade, baby. Bulls on parade. So we may hit the goal over here. We may hit our goal. We're just a couple ticks away from it. All right, we had a successful trade. Glad you witnessed it. We went from, and this is a good lesson for all the traders out there, that there's nothing wrong with reversing your position. You know, don't involve any pride in here. You're not psychic, so if you're wrong, you know, anyone can be wrong. So let's see where it may go. I just went by these lines over here. Again, these are not, you know, it's not a science, right? It's not a science. 1375, I forgot where I sold, but it looks like the low is 1375, and I sold at 1250 to take the profit over here. So today, what you experience right now in this was how it's okay to reverse your position. If you feel like it's going to go the other way, it's okay to reverse your position. It's not about being right or wrong. It's about being either right more times than you're wrong, or for your percentage. Yeah, it's this here, the move that it made over here. Remember when it was quickly going up and down? That's what told me there's probably some whale over here, and there was probably some whale kicking this thing upwards. It's if you're wrong more than you're right, you should take about 20, 30, 40, 50 trades, and then look at the percentage of times that you're wrong and right, and then do the math according to the times that you're wrong and right. So if you're right 50% of the time and you're wrong, you know, make sure that your wins are larger than your losses, and you'll always make money that way. You'll always end up on the positive that way. And that's it. Remember to subscribe. This is my third trade for the day, right? So I was positive here, I was negative here, and then we got another positive here. So third trade of the day. I'm gonna see where we're going up here. As you can see, pivot, you know, this is the pivot point. Didn't even go and touch it. It's more like a humor thing for me. But we may go up. We may go and close this gap today. I just have to run a little more studies. Yeah, we may head over to the 19 mark and be on our way to closing the gap. I like this volume bar here. It's not too high, it's maybe twice as high as this one. So we may close the gap after all. Okay, so please remember to subscribe and hit the alert button so you can get alerts as soon as I upload a video. And I hope you enjoy.